Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage, and in today's video, we're putting the panel on the Golf. Now, before you guys say anything, the panel needs another few layers of clear coat on it, yeah, but it has clear coat on it. It still needs all wet flat and stuff, but I'm just sick and tired of looking at the Golf and seeing that fucked panel on there. So until I get the paint and stuff, and until I get the sandpaper, I'm putting it on. All the bits that aren't going to be seen anymore have already been sprayed, already have clear on them anyway, yeah, so it doesn't really matter. They're not getting wet flatted made to look perfect. They're already red, they're already cleared, they can go on the car. The bit that I'm going to see, well, the rest of the car needs re-clear coating anyway, so I may as well just put it on the car now. And also, there's one more thing I'm putting on the car. Hey, you guys know what that is, don't you? That's a new headlight. Now, the top two tabs are snapped off, yeah. I bought it like that. I do have the two tabs upstairs. I just need to glue them on. But when I glue them on, I'm going to glue them on the car so that the headlight can like hold itself, because otherwise the tab will be bent in the wrong position, etc. So I'm going to glue them on the car. So that's why they're not glued back on now, ready for the car. So yeah, let's get to work. So here we are. Oh, can you just see the difference? I'm just sick and tired of looking at this broken ass car. Like, oh, who would actually want to just come and look at this car? Like, the fuck, man? This is just not just unsightly, it's fucking dangerous really as well. It's sharp edges. Do you know what I mean? Like, do you know what I mean? There's children that live around here and that. So having sharp edges on your car, that ain't good, is it? Do you know what I mean? Look at this side. Fucking, you know what I mean? It's alright. Also, I know this is all bodged, yeah, right? I literally just whacked this fly eye on because I was bored. But that's actual genuine 3M vinyl wrap. I don't go cheap for my vinyl wrap because I did before and I learnt my lesson the hard way. But like I was saying about all the clear coat, yeah, you can just see there's peel everywhere on every panel, right? And I've already gone over it with just literally a layer of clear straight on top, no sand and no nothing, just to kind of protect it as such, just to stop it from carrying on. But it is literally on every panel kind of thing, like it's all over the roof. You can't really see it in the camera, but in real life you can see how bad this whole car is. And the bonnet is all up here, is all peeled, but I've sprayed it before, but if I get the right angle you can see the difference. You know, you can see where I've just sprayed over it, but the entire car is peeled, the entire car needs repainting. So that's what's going to happen. I'm so excited. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, just look at it. Just look at it. Right, so the first thing I need to do, yeah, is this side of the bumper here is coming off and this fender is coming off. So inside that wheel liner, there is a bit of plastic that just needs to come out. Literally just a plastic liner, just need to pull it out, right? So let's get this out of the way, put it in the boot and get started working. Also, just want to say a massive thanks to Dixie, one of my fucking besties, yeah. He fucking got me this tool set and it has helped me immensely with both of these cars. I would not have been able to do something that I haven't even shown you guys in this car yet. Boom, new speakers, yeah. I wouldn't have been able to do that without these tools off Chris, but I've done it. And anything taken apart on that car needs Torx bits. Here they are in this little set here, this precision set with a flexible piece. And now I'm going to need him to take this fender liner out. So, thank you, Chris. You legend. So, as much as I should give that big thanks to Chris as well, literally 1 second ago, yeah, I've just tried using the tool, and all of these bolts are actually rusty everywhere. So, this actually won't undo it. So, yeah, because the flexi just isn't strong enough to do it. So the way I'm going to have to do it is I'm probably going to have to jack the car up and take the wheel off and use a screwdriver or use my sockets, but either way I have to take the wheel off for either one of those options, and that's kind of long, so I'm probably going to skip that and just take this liner out for you guys. So in 1 second this liner will be gone. So now, on top of everything that's just happened, yeah, I've got my socket, it fits, yeah, alright. There's this much clearance, yeah, so I'm thinking, oh yeah, my ratchet might be able to fit in there, just to realise, oh wait, I don't have a 1/4 inch ratchet. Oh, agony. Now I'm back in the shed just to see the only adapter I have is the exact opposite of what I need. How good is that? Fuck's sake! How can I take this thing apart? Oh, I'm gonna take the wheel off. Why? Get out of here, you cunt. Fuck off. Get off, you. my side lights. Oh great, there's no head on the bolt because it's busted off. You wouldn't believe it. Thank you, VW. More up there. Bang my elbow on the door down. Oh, my fucking elbow. Fucking just banged it on the door. Fuck's sake, right. Get some more shit off. Right, we have made progress. Yeah, let's get started. So it's currently pretty late, yeah. That time is wrong because I just haven't said it since putting the battery between the cards, right? I'm just out here setting the golf, editing the video, and oh my god, in hindsight, I should have just taken that wheel off, shouldn't I? Fucking hell. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Back to the video. So after that painful struggle of getting the wheel liner out, we've finally done it to reveal all the bolts we need to undo to get all this shit off. Banging. Look how much dirt is in there. Mad. Let's get it. Now, I've just undone these 4 bolts. They're all 10 mils. There was also a Phillips head there that I undone for this little plastic panel, but that's never going back on anyway. Weight reduction. So, actually, let's go in the rubbish pile. Ooh! Ooh, that bike sounded naughty. Set some alarms off and everything. Ooh! That was ruthless. But anyway, yeah, basically, right, there's 3 bolts inside as well, if I could just get you inside quick. So there's 3 bolts in here, there's 1 there, 1 down there and all that dirt, and 1 up there somewhere that I haven't even looked for yet. Right, but I'll find it, yeah. So yeah, gotta undo them. Oh shit, you're upside down. Ah. So this one down the bottom that is covered in all the mud, I'm having major issues with because it's completely coated in seam sealer. So I cannot get a socket on that at the moment and I'm just struggling to clean it off because seam sealer is pretty sticky. What a nightmare. Big ups to the VW engineer who thought seam sealer around the bolt head would be a good idea. Fucking prick. So there's actually another bolt in this corner here that I didn't tell you guys about because I didn't know it was there because the mud came all the way up to here. Down there. Big gap, full of mud. So I'm also having to use this extension now, which I fucking hate, just because of the angle of it. The socket's actually against the wall there, and it won't undo with the ratchet on it. So I need to put this on there, just so I can fucking bend it out of the way. This is getting worse and worse, I swear to God. So there actually isn't a bolt up here, like I thought there was, because that's now come loose. So I don't know what else is holding this panel on, so we're about to find out. Because I didn't really Google this. Oh yeah, we got some shit holding it on there. One sec. Behind there, we got to undo that bolt there. I can see it. Not on there, behind there. So let's get this off. Oh, how do I get the bumper off more then? Fuck's sake! I know for a fact I need to undo this to get the bumper off more because the bolts are all under here. So just so I can gain access to those bolts, I've had to go find the bumper bolts. There was 1 beyond the grill in there. There was 1, 2, 3. Well, I was going to take both these off, but that one obviously wouldn't come undone no matter what I did. So, yeah, that one is obviously not coming off. But now we've got this side of the bumper off, so we can just access everything. So we can just manipulate it about. You know what I mean? Well, now, if my calculations are correct, the panel should just. Oh no! Yes! Ta-da! Oh, there's the rest of the wheel liner. We can get it out now. Oh, there was a bolt left there. Little fucker. So obviously, you can see the difference in these two panels. Like, yes, I have got a crease here in the brand new one because it came like that and I got a £10 back refund. Yeah, and it was only £35 total, so that's not bad. Do you know what I mean? I've still got a brand new panel, still all ready. Do you know what I mean? And like I said about the clear coat earlier, but yeah, oh, look at the difference. This one is just totaled. So now what I do is I just got to transfer those clips there into that one because that's what the screws go into. You know what I mean? So one thing I also have to do quick is where this door's bent, I do not want that to bend my new fender at all. So I'm going to have to bend that in somehow and like curve it right in so it can't do it again. But I don't have mole grips on me. So this is where the fun starts again. So what I ended up doing was I just beat the door in with a hammer. Can't lie to you. It is what it is. I'm going to repaint it at some point. Do you know what I mean? It is what it is. It just makes it so it's not going to fuck my shit up. But there, the panel's on and so is the new headlight. Fucking banging. Well, the panel's not on. I've literally just loosely put 2 bolts in it. I need to put it on now. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going to skip the install process and just show you guys it when it's done. So that is it, guys. Sonny's here now. He's just sat in the car. Fucking, it's on. The panel is on. It's all bolted on. Just have to do all the lights. I've got to go through and clean all the mud and that off from where I've like kicked it on. I need to get a new fucking bumper clip there. But the one that actually attaches to the bumper. I'm not sure if I can actually replace it or not, but it's broken. That's why that's not going back on. But yeah, happy. It's actually got a nice panel now. It doesn't look too shit anymore. And the headlight ain't actually smashed. Oh, what a relief. What a fucking relief. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So, bonus clip. Let's get it. Oh, there's more that has been done to the vehicle. Oh, yeah. And boom. Boom. The headlights now match too. They're both tinted purple and they've both got the black eyelids on them. And not only have we got the sequential indicators as well, but the reverse lights are now tinted purple as well, which you can't see until daytime. But they are tinted purple along with the headlights. Peace, guys.